So you want to step up from standard text links and add a button to your site, but you don't know how to do it. Let me show you how. Okay, so you know how to do these standard text links within your WordPress, but you'd actually like a button because they look a lot better. People can navigate to them easier. They're generally an upgrade from the standard text because you can just click on it and it will take you into wherever you want to go. So in this case it's a shop, and it takes it to a shop where you can then look at different items. These are images which have got links embedded in them, and there's another button down there if you want to search for products. So buttons are very useful, but how do you add them and how do you manipulate them, change the text and add links? So let me show you how to do that now. If I go to the edit page, so this is a sample page I've got here. We've got a search button in there already. That's actually part of a search plugin. So we won't manipulate that one today, but I'll add a new button. As always, go over to the left there where you've got all the blocks listed. You can select button. That'll put in a button here. You can then manipulate that button as you wish. So there's no text in there at the minute, so we'll just call it button for now. But that's how you change the text. Just simply type in there. If you hit enter, that will create another button. We don't actually want that right now, so I'm going to just hit back on that one. Right, so you've got your button in there. You'd like to add a link, and there's the link icon, the generic link icon. Click on that, and then you can then add in the URL. So in this case, I'll just put in Google. And that button can obviously link to external sites, which you have to be careful with, obviously, because if people go off to other sites, they may not come back. So it's good to have them linking to mainly within your WordPress site, your website, whatever you're doing. But they are useful because they're very obvious. People can click on them, press on them with their finger on their mobile phone, whereas text is often very difficult to. If you just highlight that text and you try and click on that as a link, you're going to struggle, you may miss it. Buttons are very obvious. You can change the color of them, you can change the text, you can put as many as you like on the page, and yeah, useful to have. So that's how you do that. Let me just publish that quickly and we can see it in action. Okay, so that's the page, and then at the bottom we've got our button. Now if we click on that, that'll take us to Google. Brilliant. All right, hopefully that's useful. Any questions, pop them down below. Also, don't forget there's a link in the description for a free ebook on how to get your website going. Go and have a look at that, and we'll see you in the next video.